Hey guys, what's going on? Braden here, and today I'm gonna be vlogging. Like, we're going to like a campsite. Well, we're at it now, and I'm just gonna be vlogging what we do and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash that like button. Sky, you're walking too fast. And with that being said, we're just going to this river.
Holding on to me too tight.
This is the
You want to get on my shoulders?
the vlog adventures. She's low-key getting on her shoulders.
There you go.
All right.
Swing your other leg. There you go. Hold on my head. You want to take the long way or the short way?
Short way.
This way. One time.
Someone's going fishing. Wow. Look at the river. Wow.
Wow.
That is pretty high. Remember, there used to be a bunch of rocks right here. Now they're all gone. Oh, yeah. So, because we swim from here to over there and then to the other island.
It's really muddy.
It is. All right, let's go back. What a fun adventure. Goodbye, Sky. I'm back. We're having hash. And we're making French toast.
We who? I ain't got no mouse in my pocket.
You. But yeah, and then we have this Indian maple syrup.
Indiana, not Indy.
Oh. I didn't read the A.
I just put one out for now.
Alright guys, so we're making hamburgers for dinner. Look at these.
She's not here right now.
On the grill. Alright guys, so while we're waiting, look how burnt I am. I mean not very burnt, but I'm kind of burnt. I'm getting bit by bugs. People are chilling over there playing some cornhole. This might be a very short vlog. We got stuff over there, like some food over there. Let's zoom in. I think it's watermelon, pickles, and stuff for your hamburgers. And we got the hamburgers right there. We're almost done. So we'll see you guys. Wow, we got the hamburgers, the tomatoes. What's in there?
Bologna.
What's that?
Bologna.
I don't like
They're
that.
frijoles.
And then what's in there? A watermelon? Yeah, there's watermelon in there. And then,
Mac salad.
oh,
So you'll just eat a burger.
yeah.
I don't know how to say that.
And some watermelon.
All right. No applesauce.
Alright guys, we got my watermelon, my hamburger, and my Gatorade. So I'm gonna eat this. Like, yeet. Alright guys, we're gonna go walk up to get ice cream because we want ice cream because ice cream's good. Fire. Lit. Oh. Look at nature, guys. Isn't nature beautiful? Which one do I want?
I know which one I'm getting.
I always get the same one, but I never remember what it's called.
Right.
I don't care.
Can I get a Dutch chocolate double?
Here, excuse me. Let me check over here.
Yeah.
Cone, please.
Watch out, Kens. Just reading the things out here. I'm getting the Dutch chocolate. I'm getting the Dutch chocolate. Alright, that's maybe a little too much.
Who's going next?
Oh yeah, can I get the Dutch chocolate, a single dip, and then waffle cone? Thank you.
Tell him what you got so he gets it off.
Braden.
Okay.
Ooh.
You got my ice cream. About to sit down. Sky, that's your ice cream. This is my ice cream. So I'm gonna eat my ice cream now. Wow. Alright guys, my ice cream is gone. But all that's left is this little America paper.
Don't lean back. Braden, stop.
Alright.
I'm not kidding.
Alright.
You're like I even agreed to go on it. Stop. Braden, I'm not freaking kidding.
Okay.
No, it's not even funny. Like, actually, Braden.
Say hi.
Stop. Braden!
I'm sorry. I need more vlog content.
Braden, you're not, I'm not kidding. It's really not funny.
We're just chilling here, guys, on the Ferris wheel with my sister.
I freaking hate this.
Just need some extra camping vlog content.
I'm okay if it's constantly moving, but if it keeps constantly stopping, we're gonna get stuck at the top.
Well, people are
I
getting...
know, we're gonna get stuck at the top.
Yay!
No, it's not freaking yay, Braden.
It is yay. Stop!
Braden, I'm not kidding.
You don't like this?
No, I don't. Not at all.
Look at this, guys. Look how nice the view is. Hi, Robert! Okay. So down there is the little kid ride. That's the drop tower. That's right. That's the zero gravity. My sister doesn't love me. Stop.
Let's just leave.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God, if we stop at the top again, I'm gonna die.
Oh,
I'm actually gonna die. Stop. No, if we stop at the top, I'm gonna die.
stop. Whee!
Braden, are you still recording?
Yes.
I'm not even kidding. You're gonna. I hate you.
Why?
Everybody's gonna see how freaking scared I am on the freaking Ferris.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. Alright guys, we're gonna go on that thing. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to tell the dude to stop us at the top.
No.
Oh, stop. This is good.
Braden!
Oh. Hi.
I'm gonna. Don't even say anything. I'm not. Let's stop.
Hello. That was fun. Hannah, did you enjoy riding with me?
In the face.
Hannah enjoyed riding with me, guys. So we're gonna go on. We're gonna get on the Gravity Zero. I'll see you guys in a second. Right, guys. So I'm about to get on my favorite ride. Dang it! I'm too tall, man. Here you go. Enjoy. Your hands covering. Maybe it's zoomed in. Let me just.
I know how to work an iPhone.
All right. Yep. Don't zoom in. We're trying to zoom in on my face. All right.
It already is, boy.
Zoom out. Just for when we get on.
It's
Dude, I just
Jackson
showed 2 out of
McBlackson.
It's Robert McRacist. Alright, stop zooming in, Robert. You're wasting my capture. I might hire Robert as my videographer. You gotta keep it pointed at me.
It is pointing up at you.
Yeah.
You're better at making videos. Go, Brayden. Go. Jackson. Don't got deep with it, no. There. They're spinning! They come. Not that. The style of fashion.
I'm dizzy.
He's dizzy.
Ouch.
He's dizzy.
Moving on to the next ride. Alright guys, so we're going on the drop tower. It's that thing right there. For the final round. Because I just need more clips because my vlog. Ah! I've sunburned.
I didn't know that. It didn't come down. Come here. Oh, Brandon got on just in time.
Robert, come on the other side.
All right. Wow. Brandon! Jackson, you excited? Let's just get a good zoom in on Braden's face. Jackson? Got a good zoom in on your face. You got a good zoom in.
Zoom out a little.
What? I'm gonna go all the way out there.
Very slowly, I'm going.
I'm serious. I'm taking over this channel.
I'm going to heaven, guys.
Look at Brady go.
I'm going to heaven.
I love you, my daughter. Don't die. Don't die.
3, 2, 1. Blast
Jackson, that was good.
I didn't get it.
Alright guys, we are leaving. I forgot it's Monday, so I have to edit and post this by today. Which shouldn't be that bad because I forgot it was Monday. So I have to edit both of these vlogs, put them in. That's great. Usually I post at 3 p.m. It is 4. So this vlog, you guys might see this. It is 4:50 right now, Monday. And you guys probably see this at 9 or earlier or later. Depends. So hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. Make sure you smash the button for more vlogs like this. It was fun. Make sure you check out my video Wednesday. It's really important. And it'll be like explaining what I'm going to be doing with my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.